Welcome to Excel Employee Lead Tracker. Today I will go over conditional formatting for HR and payroll administrators inside of 5 minutes. Did you ever have a large list of employees and you were asked to identify a specific group of employees, say employees earning less than $50,000 per year? With conditional formatting, you can perform this task very easily. First, highlight the column that you need to look at. In this case, it is column D for salaries. Go to the Home tab that's on top. Find Conditional Formatting. Go to Highlight Cell Rules. And for our purposes, we're looking at less than. We want to change this to 50,000. If you do not like the color scheme, which currently it's light red filled with dark red text, you can click on the drop down menu and you can choose different fonts and standards. Or if you want a custom format, you can choose a custom format. For my purposes, we're just going to leave it as is. Click OK, and now you have highlighted all employees who have a salary less than $50,000. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up, leave a comment, and thank you for joining me.